Alright guys, today we're going to be talking about hair product. I know, hair product. So stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear tips, then you've come to the right place. But today we're going to be talking about hair product. Now, I can go ahead and say that when I started this channel over a year ago, it was not in my wildest dreams that I would be reviewing or talking about hair products. Reason being is I had a shaved head. But thanks to my wife's persistence and the Beard Advice series from Brian over at Beards and Banjos, I decided to grow this out. Now y'all normally see me with a hat on, but I decided to do a review on this product because I think it's really cool. So I was not aware that Scotch Porter made hair products, but this is hair balm from Scotch Porter. Now, since I've grown my hair out, I have used pomade and other things, and back in the day when I had hair, I used to use like gel and that kind of thing. I don't like the gel because it makes your hair really stiff and really hard, and pomade just gives it that texture that I'm not really a big fan of. Scotch Porter's hair balm is almost like their beard balm, and you can see it's just a white, creamy, whipped consistency and texture. It's absolutely amazing. So I'm not going to read all of these ingredients. You can see all those there, but it includes no parabens, silicones, petroleum, mineral oil, or artificial colors, safe for color treated hair. So the way to use this, you get out the shower, your hair's a little damp, and you take about a dime sized portion. I use just a little bit less because my hair's not that long. Work it in, style it how you want to, and then you have your hair styled. And it's not hard, it's not stiff. I could actually take and run my hand through my hair and it would look like I never put any product in. So that's my favorite part of it, because there are days where I want to do this in the morning. Well, then maybe by a little after lunch, I want to throw a hat on. So I don't like product being in my hat and all that kind of stuff. So I can take and just run my hands through it, and it just looks like I got out of the shower and my hair dried. So it's nothing crazy. Absolutely love this stuff. Now, as you know, I've done some videos for Scotch Porter before. I am an affiliate, but I'll drop a link in the description. You can get over and check this out. It comes in a 3-ounce tub, and it is $15 for that tub. So you really can't beat it. In my opinion, it's a good deal because this is gonna last me for a good while, because not every day do I do this to my hair. So this should last me a pretty good while, and I really probably take a little less than a dime sized portion for my hair. So you just can't beat that. But I'll drop links in the description below. You can get over and check them out. They're always running specials and discounts and stuff like that. So get over. If you have hair on your head and you like to style it, check out Scotch Porter's hair balm. It is absolutely amazing. So, and I didn't talk about what it smells like, but it just smells clean. It really doesn't have a whole lot of a scent to me. It just smells clean and fresh. So definitely check it out. And until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.